To get your home ready for the big holiday, whether you're hosting the family meal or having out-of-town friends stay for several days, you may be feeling the pressure to step up your cleaning routine. But rather than get overwhelmed with an all-day-long cleaning spree, consider breaking up the chores and check off just one to-do each day. For a sparkling clean home, join us for 12 days of cleaning. On the 12th day, clean out the fridge. To make room for all the holiday dishes you're cooking, clear out the fridge now. Start by removing everything and toss out anything that's expired. You can keep food in a cooler as you work, or just clean shelf by shelf. Once everything is out of the fridge, spritz the shelves and walls with a solution of half water and half white vinegar with just a drop of dish soap. Then use a sponge to scrub any spills before wiping with a cloth. And don't forget to wipe down the drawers too. As you replace all of the food in the fridge, designate one area on an easy-to-reach shelf for your most used items or the things guests are likely to reach for. Use a tray or container to store milk, butter, jam, snacks, and drinks for your guests. On the 11th day, scrub your stovetop. If you're cooking the holiday meal, your stovetop is bound to get messy, but deep cleaning it now means you'll only have to wipe away spills as they happen to keep your stovetop looking clean. If you have a gas stove, start by removing the grates and giving them a scrub in warm, soapy water. To clean the stovetop, use a sponge and warm water with a drop of dishwashing liquid to rub the surface in a circular motion. Concentrate on any greasy areas. Let the soapy water sit for a few minutes before wiping away with a damp cloth, working in small sections as you go. If there's still some greasy residue left, try this. Sprinkle a layer of baking soda on the stovetop. Then slice a lemon in half and rub the cut side on the stovetop in a circular motion. Baking soda is mildly abrasive, while the lemon juice is naturally degreasing. Wipe away the grease with a damp cloth. On the 10th day, deep clean the kitchen sink. Ahead of the holiday, take some time to deep clean and disinfect the sink. First, remove any food scraps and spritz the basin with water. For a stainless steel sink, sprinkle just a thin layer of baking soda into the basin. Scrub with a soft cloth, always working in the direction of the grain of the stainless steel. Then rinse the sink thoroughly. And ta-da! Your sink will look clean and shiny. On the 9th day, dust. Up next, dust all of the shelves, side tables, and coffee tables around your home, concentrating on the rooms most likely to be seen by guests, like the kitchen and the living room. Clean from the top down, dusting the highest shelves first so you won't accidentally waft dust onto a just clean surface. On the 8th day, clear the counters. For many of us, so much clutter collects on our kitchen counters, it's a smart idea to do a thorough cleaning at least a week before the holiday, and then do a quicker clean the day before. Now you'll have time to sort through everything. Decide whether to save or recycle any mail that's collected, place cooking tools back in the drawer, and replace spices in the cabinet. Once clear, wipe down the counter with a damp cloth and a drop of dish soap. On the 7th day, declutter the living room. Grab a large laundry basket or bin, then take a slow tour of your living room, tossing in anything that doesn't belong in that room, whether that's coats, coffee cups, or kids' toys. Once the basket is full, bring it to the kitchen or kids' playroom to drop off the items. Repeat as needed. On the 6th day, scrub the toilets and bathroom counters. You'll want to give the bathrooms a spruce up right before guests arrive, but 6 days out, start by scrubbing the toilets. When you're done, let the brush drip dry before placing it into the holder. In the meantime, use an angled mop to clean around the base of the toilet. Then clear off the bathroom counter and stash the products in a drawer or medicine cabinet. On the 5th day, empty the trash cans. Empty the trash cans around the house, starting with those that are most noticeable, such as in the kitchen, bathroom, and living room. To prevent the kitchen garbage from smelling, line the bottom with newspaper, then top with baking soda. On the 4th day, clean the mirrors. Wipe down the bathroom mirrors using glass cleaner and a lint-free cloth. Spritz onto the cloth rather than the mirror, and then wipe in an S-shaped pattern to help prevent streaks. On the 3rd day, set out extra toiletries. To give your guests the 5-star treatment, follow the lead of your favorite hotel and set out some extra toiletries and toilet paper so guests never have to ask for more. The day before, add a small bud vase of fresh flowers. On the 2nd day, vacuum. Vacuum or sweep the floors in the kitchen, bathroom, living room, and guest room, giving each room a quick clean as you go. Pick up any clutter that has landed in each room and wipe down the counters. And on the final day of cleaning, relax. Pour yourself a cup of tea or a glass of wine, you're done. It is time to enjoy the holiday. For more holiday cleaning tips, follow along on realsimple.com.